Hi, we are doing logarithm. The question is log x plus y to the base 2 is equal to log x minus y to the base 3 is equal to log 25 by log 0.2. Now what we will do, we will take the first condition, that is x log x plus y to the base 2 is equal to log 25 by log 0.2. First let us solve this, that is log 25 by log 0.2. Log 25 can be written as 5 raised to the power 2 and log 0.2 can be written as log 2 by 10, right? Now we will use the law. Which law we will use? We will use the log log a raised to the power n is n log a, and we will use the second law, that is log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a raised to the power n wala rule we will follow here, and log a by b we will follow here. So this can be written as 2 log 5 by log, first we will cancel this, right? Log 1 by 5, it will become 2 by 10. So log 1 minus log 5. So this will become 2 log 5, and log 1, if there is no base, the base is 10, and log 1 to the base 10 is 0. Log 1 is always 0 any which ways. Minus log 5. Log 5 cancel. What I am left, this is plus, this is minus, plus minus, minus 2. So now here what we got, instead of log 25 by log 0.2, I got it as minus 2. So now I can write this first equation, you can call as log x plus y to the base 2 is equal to 2. Now we will change this in exponential form. How to change it into exponential form? Log b to the base a is equal to y. The base remains the same and the log is changed with the answer, that is a raised to the power y is equal to b. So this will become, this was minus 2, plus minus minus 2, over here we got it. So this is 2 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to x plus y. Fine. So x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. Right? Now what you can do, you can take 4 to the other side. It will become 4x plus 4y is equal to 1. Let it be second equation. Okay. Now we will solve the other part of it. We got one equation. We will solve the other portion, that is log x minus y by base 3 is equal to log 25 by log 0.2. So let's write it down. Log x minus y to the base 3 is equal to log 25 by log 0.2. This we calculated, it came out as minus 2. So what we can write? Log x minus y to the base 3 is equal to minus 2. Again we will change it into exponential form. The base will remain same and these two will be interchanged. So it will become 3 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to x minus y. That is x minus y is equal to 1 by 9. Again 9 can go that side and it will become 9x minus 9y is equal to 1. This will become your equation 3. Fine. So now we will solve equation 2 and 3. Now we know that these two equations have two variables and we have two equations. So this can be solved simultaneously. 9x minus 9y is equal to 1. How do we solve simultaneous equation? What we do, we make the coefficient of any of the variable equal. Either x ka we will make equal or either y. Here I will make y ka coefficient same. One is 4, one is 9, right? So if I take the LCM of 4 and 9, the LCM becomes 36. So I will change this 4 into 36 and 9 into 36. Why I am taking y ka? Because this has one has plus sign, other has minus sign. It will get cancelled. So this will become into 9. The whole equation I have to multiply. I cannot multiply only part of it. So I have to make 4 ko 36. So I'll multiply this with 9 and this equation with 4. So what it will turn out to be, 9 4s are 36x plus 9 4s are 36y is equal to 9. Same way 9 4s are 36x minus 36y is equal to 4. Now we will solve it. Plus minus minus, that means 36 minus 36y will get cancelled, and what I am left with 36 plus no sign means plus. So 36x plus 36x is 72x and 9 plus 4 is 13. So what is the value of x? Is 13 by 72, right? Now we will put the value of x, put the value of x in any of the equations you want. You can put here, you can put here, you can put here, anywhere. So I am putting in 1 by 4 is equal to x plus y in this equation. This was the equation over here, right? I'll put it there and I will see. X की जगह पे I will write 13 by 72 is equal to y. 13 plus is 1 by 4 is equal to 13 by 72 plus y. I'm sorry. So now what is y? Y is 1 by 4 minus 13 by 72. Now 4 and 72 ka LCM we will see what is coming. So let's see. 2, 3 2s are 6 and 6, 2, 1 and 18, right? So 18 into 4, that is 72 only. So 72, this will come as 18, 4 into 18. So up also we will multiply 18. So this will become 18 minus 13 is equal to y, right? 18 minus 13 is 5. So 5 by 72 is y. So we got the value of x as 13 by 72 and y as 5 by 72. This is how we will solve this.